Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. In today's video, we are moving ahead with part 14 of our CATIA V5 beginner tutorial series. In last sessions, we know how to use sketch based feature tools to create 3D models. In today's session, we will practice some sketch based feature exercise. Today we are going to create one fast 3D model of our beginner series tutorial. So go to start, mechanical design and part design. I am renaming this to as fast 3D model and click on OK. In today's session we will create a simple 3D model where we will use pad and pocket feature only. So we are into the part design workbench, and today we are going to create this 3D model as our first 3D model exercise. To create this 3D model, we need to analyze the drawings first. Like here is our front view, this is our top view, and this is the right view, and this is the isometric view of our 3D model. So here you can see, and I also want to tell you, every 3D model, when we create a 3D model, we should always create the add material features. We can put all the add material features first, and then after we will use our remove material features. Like here we are going to use only two tools, that is pad and pocket. So we use the add material features, that is pad, first. Here you can see, and I am going to create this sketch, the front view. Okay, how this sketch is divided? Here this is 30 mm and the length is 60 mm, height is 30 mm, and this 3D model has 40 mm of width. So this one is 30 mm, the total length is 60 mm. This is divided into three parts. The steps are 20 20 20 and 10 10 10. So let's go and create. To create the sketch, we need to select the plane first. I am selecting the YZ plane and click on the sketch. Now we are into the sketcher workbench. Here I am going to select the profile tool and create the sketch. First point, second point. I am going to create the same profile as we want to create. This is my sketch profile. For that one, let's give the dimensions. To give the dimensions, double click on the constrain tool, click the first one. This is 20, this is 20, and the height, this one is 10, this is 10, and the total length, this one will be not 20, this is 60, and this is 30. So now our sketch is created, and we have give the dimensions to make it fully constrained. Now click on the exit workbench, click on the pad. As my sketch is selected, so we don't need to select the sketch again. Here we have the dimension, and we want 40 mm, and also I want it as a mirror extend. So when I select the mirror extend, both side it will create 20 mm 20 mm. So this is created as 40 mm sketch, and click on OK. Now my add material feature is done. So next one is we need to create this pocket. Remove this material from our 3D model. So how to remove? Click on this one, this face of the 3D model. We can select any face or we can select the plane as well, but here it is convenient to select this face and click on the sketch tool and create the sketch. Here we need to create a simple rectangle and click on the constrain tool, double click you can, and click on this line, click on this line from the 3D model and right click coincidence. Here I need on the symmetry axis, so I'm clicking this one, both the vertical lines, and right click allow symmetry line and in the vertical axis. Now my vertical lines are symmetric about the vertical axis, and this length is 10 mm as you know, and I want this should be 20 mm. So my sketch is fully constant. Now we can use the tool. So click on the exit workbench. Here we are going to use pad tool, the simple pad tool. Click on simple pocket tool. Click on the pocket. Here this is up to you. You can choose a dimension, or in this case we are going to choose the plane. Use up to plane option and select the plane up to this one and click on preview. You can see material remove up to this one, this limit 1, and click on OK. Now our first 3D model is created. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab for more CATIA V5 tutorial. In the next video we will create another sketch based feature example. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.